So today I'm going to install this car test studio CarPlay over here. So to begin with, we have to open the glove box here. Okay, here's a clip to hold the glove box. We have to take out this box first. Okay, after remove this glove box, you will see the cable to connect the AC control over here. So we have to unplug it. So after remove the glove box, there's a cable. It's the white one. The white one is connected to the AC control. So we have to take out the cable here. So there's another cable for the AC control. It's right there. So you have to take it off, and then you can move the panel, the dashboard panel here. So this is a little tool. It's gonna help. So to remove this dash panel for the radio unit, so we gonna need this little tool. There's a few clips, which I already break it. So I already broke it here. So there's a few clips. You gotta move the trim from there, here, over there. So be careful. It's so easy to break. Okay, I did. So after remove this panel, there's a connector. We gotta disconnect all the connector over here. There's connector here, connector there. Alright, and now we have to remove this AC control unit and the AC vent. There's a 4 screw over here. It looks pretty nice. Okay, it looks good though. Okay, we gotta remove this, the original one. There's a 4 screw over here. Okay, after following the second installation instruction, so I gotta put this head unit back. Hey, just plug in the wire. That's it.